Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. Del Reyes. Uh, what I will be discussing this morning will be I would like to show you how I will remove the safety lock of this microwave oven by going through the process. Safety lock is just the lock that is after the cooking of the food or while the cooking of the food is in motion, you could not open the door. So for this microwave oven, which is a Black & Decker microwave oven, I would like to remove that lock, safety lock, just to show you that it could be modified from the lock thing to the unlock thing. So the first procedure on how to remove the lock operation of this one, the locking of this one, is actually to push this unlock button here for 2 seconds. It's locked, then we'll press 9, 7, and 9. It's unlocked already. It's unlocked. Meaning to say, since I perform the unlocking, whenever I cook something, okay, after the cooking, I could open immediately the door because it was unlocked already. Okay? So I would like to show you that the unlocking is actually working. So what will I do? I put a glass of water here, and I will perform a heating operation. That's for coffee, so I will be using the express cooking method. I will set this one to 1 minute, and the power level is actually, power level for express cooking is actually number 10. It's the full power 700 watts. Okay. So let's try to heat up the water for my coffee. I'll be using this express cooking. I have shown you that the power level for this express cooking is actually at a full level 700 watts. Okay. So I will press 1 minute here. I will be heating the water for 1 minute. Okay. The water is being heated for a total time of 1 minute at full power 700 watts. The heating process is done. So, like what I said, this microwave already was unlocked already. So actually, we could bring out the food from inside or anything that was put inside after the operation. So I will show you that we could open this one. Okay, it's unlocked. So I could bring out this one now. Without pushing the unlock button, because like what I said, I unlock it already. Okay? That's it. Oh, that's the way how to unlock a Black & Decker microwave oven which has a lock safety operation. I unlock it already. So after any cooking process, okay, until it stops, we could open immediately the door because it was unlocked already. On the first option a while ago, before we newly bought this one, it was locked. So after the cooking process, since it's locked, you could not open the door, okay, without pushing the unlock button here. But this one, I modified the safety lock already. I put it from lock to unlock operation. So from now on, anything or after cooking anything from inside, okay, you could open immediately of this one, okay, and you could bring out the food from inside. Good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor DBJ de los Reyes.